Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to create Equalizer preset for your earbuds HUAWEI Freebuds 7i. You have to start by open HUAWEI Live application, but on iOS you can also use HUAWEI Connect app. Open it. Then at the Live we need to tap at the earbuds. And at the main headphones menu, scroll down, click at the sound effects. Now, if you have HUAWEI Live, click at the plus at the right top. If you use HUAWEI Connect, at the bottom you'll find the button to add custom preset. And you will see the same menu. Click reset, and now we can... Oh, actually you don't need to click reset. So we can make something good. Let's say I want to add this preset. Then click save, and we have it, and now we use this preset. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.